myself Pragya Maheshwari. Today I am gonna share my views on the present situation of COVID-19. As we all must have gone through the theory of glass half filled with water or half empty or completely filled with water and air. So everything depends how we look into the situation. We all are having fear of COVID-19, or should I say the fear of death? Yes, it is the fear of human death. The present mortality rate of COVID-19 in our country is 3.35, whereas the mortality rate of some other disease in our country is much more higher than this. Do we really create panic for all these? The answer is no. Here I am not saying that we should take COVID-19 lightly. In fact, we need to take care all the other aspects of our life as we are taking care from COVID-19. I am not describing it as a situation. It is a chance as we are getting back to our culture. Pranam, Namaskar, healthy food, yoga, taking care of old ones, spending quality time with our family members, which we were not getting earlier. And it is giving us chance to realize that what we need to live. Is it the luxuries? Is it the money? Is it the mall, cinema halls? No. The all we need to live is food, water and air. It doesn't mean that we should not work. We do need hard work, efforts to achieve something big in our life, to enlighten ourselves and to the world, to serve our nation in a better way. It is also a positive impact on our Western Ganga. Government have spent so much on it, but we got all those results now. And our ozone layer is improving rapidly, which we were trying since couple of years. This situation is giving us chance to think out of the box, to realize our mistakes, to learn from our mistakes. It is said that time is the greatest teacher. Last but not the least, we all know that we are going through an economic slowdown worldwide. Most of the countries having a negative GDP growth rate in the first quarter of 2020, but India is still on a positive note. So it is giving us chance to strengthen ourselves, to be a powerful nation. But for all those things, we need to stand together, to stay positive with innovative ideas, to make our nation a Vishwa Guru, not to a buyer but to a supplier. We all are thankful to our corona warriors, but we need to do much more than to only to be thankful to them. The question arises, what can we do? The answer is itself in the question. It is time to realize what can we do the best. It is the time to be a warrior itself, to our duties, to our potential and to our best.